Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for a new and exciting topic. Before we dive into this week's subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneurial ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic: best practices for ink fingerprinting. Prepare the subject. Make sure the subject's hands are clean and free of any lotions or oils that could affect the quality of the fingerprint. Use high quality ink. Use high quality ink fingerprinting pads to ensure clear and sharp prints. Roll each finger separately. Roll each finger separately from nail to nail, ensuring that the entire surface of the finger is covered in ink. Roll fingers in the correct order. Roll the fingers in the correct order, starting from the thumb and ending with the little finger. Use proper pressure. Apply enough pressure to the fingers to capture a clear impression, but not so much that it distorts the print. Capture both hands. Capture prints from both hands to ensure a complete set of fingerprints. Verify the quality of the prints. Verify the quality of the prints before sending them off for analysis to ensure they meet the necessary standards. So basically, for the standards, you want to also store the prints properly. Store the prints to, ensure or secure the location and make sure they are not damaged or contaminated. Overall, it is important to follow established procedures and guidelines for ink fingerprinting to ensure accurate and reliable results. To assess similar content, kindly consider engaging with Fingerprinting Gurus by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our content. We are dedicated to providing valuable and compelling topics, and we look forward to presenting you with another exciting discussion soon. Thank you for your support.